hot water. We're going to put 1 cup of hot water, and we're going to put the purple onion into the water, just like this. You see this is medicine. All right. We're using 1 medium-sized one. Put this into the water like this. Come right here. Let's put some ginger inside of it, just like that. The garlic. So 1, 2, 3, 4 cloves of garlics right there inside of it. All right. Excellent. You guys can see. Yeah. That's the way it looks. So amazing and fantastic. Very good for the blood pressure. Right here. Cloves. All right. We'll put all of the natural ingredients right here. This one helps to cleanse up once you take it off to eat. So remember, you can get yourself a copy of my brand new book on Amazon, Healthy Tea, inside of it, and give it a sweetener with a little bit of honey right here. All right, so please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and just share the video and let them know that they are a natural home remedy, can help them at home for high blood pressure, diabetic, all of these things. All right, we are here to give you natural stuff to help you guys at home. Bless upon yourself, and I will be sooner with more recipes and more ideas. Good vibes in the kitchen from Chef Ricardo Cooking today.